fully out of the comfort zone here. We got Jake out in the salt, but it's not salt right now, it's fully fresh. Heaps of rain, water's like brown, down to the mouth of a river, and we're gonna try and grind a few barra out. Tide's pumping in, heaps of current, quite big tides at the moment. Bit of a new experience for us. Jake, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Excited?
Excited.
How do you feel about putting the barra in the salt, mate? Happy it's fresh right now?
Oh, I'm not too happy with it.
It's alright, mate, she's fresh anyway. Give it a taste, go on, just a little...
Yeah, I just want to cruise it, mate.
Oh.
Just cruise
it. Alright. We don't know the area that well. I fished here a few times. Probably 4 or 5 years ago. Got a few barra. Aim is to get a donkey. It just slows down as it starts getting towards the top. And we've got about 2 hours of slackish and then pump. There's fish.
Don't know what sort.
Definitely some barra just on the sides.
Oh, he's on.
There's a bit of shit getting around.
Never seen a prawn this big.
No. Oh yeah. We're looking good early.
Hey?
We're looking good early.
In what way?
Looking likely. At least you don't have to worry about salt water today, I don't think, mate.
No, you're getting the biggest clean of his life.
Mate, it's literally full fresh. This is as fresh as Mondi. You need to give it a taste and you'll be like, okay, Sam's right. It's one of the great freshwater extravaganzas today. Anything you're washing up will be mud. Oh, I think I just saw a fish jump.
I miss Mondi already. Oh,
Yep.
you bastard. Wait, actually, yeah, I had to, yeah.
You missed Mondi already.
Oh, what's that flying there?
Right, we're an hour or so in.
Nice.
Just doing a video, mate. Hour or so in. Seen a couple on the side scan. Water's still super dirty, hasn't cleared up much with the incoming tide. The surface layer is very much fresh. Tastes like there's a bit of salt down deeper. Gave the lure a bit of a taste before, a bit of salt on there. Hoping once we hit slack tide we can go for a bit of a wander around. Hopefully find a few bigger fish on the move and then fish the outgoing tide. Got a little zone, little creek down here that we'll be pumping out of. Hopefully that really activates the fish and we can get a couple, but yeah, we'll keep going, keep giving it a crack. Horse, horse, horse.
Oh my god, it's a barramundi.
Oh, where am I?
You're going to be behind him anyway. Oh my god.
Oh, I went past him.
Taking those back?
Yes, donkey, man. Yeah. I think so. Like, there's a bit of, yeah, I think so involved in it, but On it. On it. On it. Oh, eat it. Damn. Mate, this is a great little zone. Look at the bait. Look at the bait in here, Jake. You should just get up and cast.
Hey?
You should just get up and cast along here. How much bait there is in here?
Live mullet, right? Prawn.
Something smaller. He was on it then, eh? Wasn't big, but it was big. This must be the salt fresh line, eh? Damn. You first follow.
That was a barra?
Yeah.
You reckon you twitched too hard?
No, he was on it.
And then what do you do?
Follow, follow, go on.
Look at this thing.
Pretty rubbish, isn't it? Or is it a shark?
Yeah?
Or is it a shark? Maybe? Yeah. Alright, we just parked ourselves up in this little creek here. Tide's starting to run out now. Haven't found stupid numbers lately. The fresh has sort of gone more salt with that incoming tide towards the end of it. And actually probably started seeing a few less when that happened, but we're getting back to this little spot in here. The water's going to start pumping out hopefully. The barra come in and start feeding on the bait. There's plenty of bait in there, so every chance we get a couple. Jake's out the back here with the live mullet, grinding away. What size mullet you got on, mate?
5.5.
5.5. I'm trying the little chuckle flat for the moment. Hopefully start seeing some bigger fish. We definitely spotted a couple of donkeys this morning up along the bank over here, but not enough to really get enough opportunities. We had a couple. I had one follow and got past a couple, but no reaction. A lot of the fish seem to be moving pretty quick out there, so you really only get one shot and then they're gone. Anyway, we'll keep grinding. Hopefully jag a couple in here. Could be a chance here. Not even miles away anyway. Just gonna rank it up. Just gonna be sitting way out there. Alright, Jake's called on me. He's had enough. After 17 snags.
That wanted to stay and grind it out for 6 to 10 hours.
Yeah, Jake wanted to do one of the great Mondi grinds, but I convinced him to give this a crack. Yeah, look, it was probably a poor idea given the amount of rain we've had. We've had about an hour of, probably not even an hour of run out, and it's already back to complete freshwater again, so there's not a whole lot of fish getting about. We don't really know what we're doing anyway, so plan is we're going to head back to Mondi for a look. Should get a few hours of Zavo. Could get a couple donkeys in the frogs, could be good viewing, but yeah, stay tuned. Could be another salt mission at some point, might not be for a little bit. Confidence is ruined. Nah, not ruined, but you know, we had it all up against us today, didn't we?
We did.
It's not a lot going for us, apart from the conditions pretty meant. Big tides, fresh water, some serious current getting around. Yeah, plan did not pay off, but you know what? That's okay. Because we're out here, good mates. Our Bill's over there, and we're going good.
Take me back to Mondi.
Mondi.
Alrighty, we are back at it. Me and Sam hit the salt early this morning. Didn't have too much luck. Heap of fresh water in the rivers at the moment.
I don't know if you can say hit the salt. We hit the fresh.
Yeah, it felt like fresh. We hit the fresh. Crazy big tides. Couldn't find any salt water, but anyway, we gave it a crack. No good. We've come back to Mondi. It's the afternoon. It's been raining for the last hour or so. Sammy's drenched, I'm drenched, but we're just going to hit it anyway. Sort of make our way down this big weed flat here and see how we go. I'll be throwing the 4.5 inch live mullet. Sam's going to try the frog again. Hopefully get a nice surface bite.
Lemon and Calavera.
Yeah, whatever he said anyway. Anyway, we're going to get stuck into it, get nice and wet, and hopefully catch some nice barra. Can you drive the electric? Be a gentleman. Oh, you know, like if you're gonna not cast.
Yeah, well, drive the electric, yeah.
It's in me.
Yeah, it's easy. We have to put that electric up. Just say that. This is how you fish in the rain, eh? You do it with clients too.
Like this.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get smacked early here.
Can you put that electric up after you start? All the way up. Electric on drift mode.
You mean heading?
No, just off. You call it drift mode.
Fantastic line. Watch side scan maybe.
I don't want you to get wet.
Oh. You reckon I'll get wet? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's putrid. That's very good actually.
I'm just trying.
Got to be a couple sitting up on this flat just here, guys. So we're gonna.
I'm just increasing your longevity.
Big long cast, quick on the bail arm, get that lure going. So that's the key for me. Should get a bite on this one, I'd expect. In about 3, 2, 1, bang. Like, could you imagine? Could you imagine?
You could just do it the whole session,
Mate,
and then so you get one to work.
that would. All right, guys. So big long cast. The way I'm working this 4.5 inch live mullet, big long cast, just like the fast frogging. Get it up and going, rod tip high, and bring it down. So expect to get a bite this cast in about 3, 2, 1. No.
Pops up.
No, I don't think she's been popping. Probably not caught a fish today. Thank fuck it's not.
You still think you're burning it out here, or just?
I'm slowing it down a bit.
Should we put the low on so you can see
No.
burning around?
No.
Why are you so awful?
Because it's a challenge, mate, you know?
A little bit.
This is how it used to be, you know?
It's not like this anymore. I know it's good. Still gonna be like blind to casting it.
Blind out, trust the process. Gotta go off instincts, man. And barra footprints. And also, you know, natural indicators. Preferably birds, soupies, pelicans, and of course wombats.
Yeah, Joyce, we actually catch fish today. That's a good boy. That's fish. Oh, here we go.
He's on. Just about to tell the missus. He'd been gone all day, no fish.
We might not get to that point.
Mate, is this your first fish on the 4.5?
Could be.
It's a good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bloody good bit. I'm probably going to caught in the line. It's an absolute job. What are you doing to me, mate?
Go for the double hookskies.
This is an absolute haul. What a fish.
Now Sammy's been screaming to put the live scope on for the last 45 minutes. I've told him.
Gone genuine.
Stick to the genuine task. Couple casts later, about to ring the old lady and kadunks.
Ring the old lady.
Yeah, that one did.
The old lady.
Sorry, Jase.
Just get in, you bastard.
Not bad. Stopped it. Look at the smile on him. He's been itching for it all day.
I just stung him.
Shake it off, man. Shake it off. Well done, mate. Well done.
That would have been a bloody PB about 6 years ago.
How do you feel about that? Talk us through it, mate. You weren't feeling the live mullet or the blind casting, but you've come good.
Oh, you know, it's just sometimes you just got to do what Jake says because he wants to have a bit of fun, you know, put the live scope away and, you know.
Look at the results.
It's an absolute beauty. It's got my biggest barra for about probably 22 hours. So that's pretty good.
We're spoiled out here at Mondi, so great fish nonetheless.
Oh. Alright, there's an absolute cracker of a Mondi barra. This one's probably 110, 115. On the little live mullet, 4.5 inch. Brought to you by Jake Fairweather. One of his favourites, you know, not my favourite colour, but guess these absolute horses to eat. Like, look at the size of this thing. This is huge.
Mate.
This could be 30 kilos.
Yeah, solid.
Can I get a photo?
Yep.
Jake?
Hang on.
You know these people?
Yeah, it looks good. Come down, come down, come down. No, let him go, mate. Let him go. He's got a life to live. He's got things to do. See ya.